In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable time tracking in Jira. Time tracking in Jira is usually turned on by default. But that does not always mean it is fully set up and ready to use the way your team needs it. To make sure it works properly, you will want to review the settings and confirm that the global configuration matches your organization's schedule and preferred time format. This is especially helpful if your team logs work based on standard business hours or if you want reports to reflect time in a clearer way. To get started, open Jira and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the Settings option, which is shown with the gear icon. This is where Jira's administrative and configuration options are managed. So you may need the right permissions to access it. Once you open Settings, choose the option that matches your Jira version. If you are using Jira Server or Data Center, select Issues. If you are using Jira Cloud, select Work Items instead. The wording can vary slightly depending on the platform, so just choose the one that appears in your environment. After that, go to the left-hand sidebar and look for the section called Issue Features. In that section, click Time Tracking. This area controls how time is measured and displayed across Jira. And it's the main place you'll use to confirm that time tracking is active and configured correctly. Next, click Edit Global Settings. This is where you define your organization's working schedule. For example, you can set how many hours make up a standard workday and how many days are considered part of the work week. These values matter because Jira uses them when converting log time into days, hours, and other readable formats. If your company defines a workday as 8 hours and a work week as 5 days, this is where you would make sure those settings are reflected accurately. You can also choose how time should be displayed. Depending on your reporting preferences, you may want Jira to show time in days, in hours, or even in minutes. Choosing the right display format can make time estimates and work logs easier to understand for everyone on the team. When you are done adjusting the settings, click Save to apply your changes. Once saved, your time tracking configuration will be updated and ready to support more accurate logging and reporting inside Jira. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.